The new year is here and it's time to deep clean. I started before Thanksgiving and then Thanksgiving came, I got really sick, and then before I even know it, it's Christmas. I think I did enough actually before Christmas came around, but I feel like there's still a lot to get done. I'm back in the process of doing that before the New Year's, but if I don't get it done before the New Year's, then I'll make sure it's done in January. I want to do something in my kitchen, make it cuter, remove some stickers from the wall. And the living room is pretty much done. Probably add some accessories, my room for sure, but I don't know when I will get to that, only because I'm waiting for some things to come in the mail. And then we have my hallway closet, which I need to really organize because it is currently 7:56 p.m. So tonight I will probably take care of the kitchen. Come with me to clean my kitchen tonight, and then I guess we'll like make this a little journey. We could do that. That seems really fun. This movie is really funny, The Heat. So I think I'm gonna watch it. I've watched it about like 4 or 3 times now. We gotta put something on the TV, you know? Okay, let's get started.
Yeah, I take it for the road. Yeah, I take a glass for the road. People change, you know how it go. Had to rearrange the digits on my phone. Feels like they wanna take the source of.
If anybody has a good recommendation for knife sets, I would greatly appreciate it. I'm kind of over them. So if anybody has recommendations, drop them my way, please.
Source of for me. Looking at mine like it's your property.
Perfecto.
When we just tryna ball properly, I ain't talking small, I want all the money. Rolling through your city.
Got these from the TikTok shop. This is what I'm gonna use to reorganize my hallway closet. Won't do it tonight, but it's gonna happen within the next week and a half.
I'm a hooper, you do me, I'ma do you.
I'm gonna just put away these water bottles and then sweep and mop. Maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna definitely sweep though, but the mopping takes a process, you know. I don't know if I'm really in the mood for that, but I probably should because it has been snowing here, so the floors are a little icky. So I'm gonna put these up and then get in the process of doing that.
And we gon' see who's the loser, amen, hallelujah. Rolling through your city, I'm a hooper.
To the kitchen, those two would have to go out for donation. Done by my blinds, I'm trying to get that situated, and then here's the rest of the kitchen. Possibly hang up that painting, put the tablecloth on the table. Everything else is clean. I'm gonna go ahead and just do like little stuff, like put this stuff away, take this stuff off the counter, and then we are all good. All right, guys, we are completed with the kitchen. I am tired. It is currently 9:53 p.m. So I'm gonna get myself ready for the night because I do have work tomorrow. I'm gonna do the kitchen wall tomorrow with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little cleaning video, and I hope you guys come back and watch. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Bye for now.
But that can't be me, no way.